In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur background in Adobe Express. Now, as you can see here, I have an image where I want to blur the background. It's already blurred a bit, but of course I want more blur on there, so I'll just show you how to do this. The first thing you have to do, you want to click on your image. You want to, of course, blur the background off, and I'm going to just duplicate it. So right click and then duplicate, and you want to position it directly over it, okay? So you have it like this. It's basically one over the other. Then you want to click on the top layer up top, so just click on the image, and you want to go to edit and then edit again, and you want to remove the background. That's going to remove the background of the top image over here, but of course you can see, there we go, we have this person and then we have the background as well, okay? Now all you have to do is simply click on the background image, so the one that's actually the whole image. You want to go to edit and then edit again, go to adjust over here, scroll to the bottom, and here you can see blur. You can just adjust this blur over here. I'm just gonna go to like 80 over here, and as you can see, there we go, it's going to blur your background just like that. Okay, super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.